Hi, in this video I'll explain the system yield calculation. You press this button and you'll go to the calculation page. So this page will calculate the energy yield calculation, the annual energy yield, in addition to the performance ratio, CO2 emissions, and the equivalent trees planted. It also shows you the site-specific irradiation, and in this chart you will be able to see the monthly energy yield, and in this chart you will be able to see the system and array losses. You need to do a few easy steps. First of all, you have to specify the system size. Then you select the PV inverter. You choose it from the list. If you don't find it in the list, you can add your own inverter here. You choose the PV solar module. You can pick one from the list or add your own PV module to the database. And then in this step we have to specify the site location. You press on view set location and you'll get this map. You put your address and press search. After seeing your location, you press on import irradiation data. When the data is ready, just press OK. You can see your address is shown here. Next step is you have to specify the tilt angle and the orientation angle. We have preset values here, but you can change them. And here you have to specify the system and array losses. You have to add the losses values as shown here in these text boxes. You have the shading loss, soiling loss, module degradation, voltage drop, and system unavailability. For the IAM, you pick a model from the list. You can choose either the ASHRAE, the physical model, Merton and Rees model. I will put ASHRAE for now, and you will be able to see the value here after the calculation is completed. For the thermal loss, the software calculates it. You don't need to input any numbers. It gets the data from the PV module datasheet. Now, since we have all the information ready here, we click on calculate. As you can see, we get the annual energy yield shown here. Performance ratio is shown here. Site-specific irradiation, CO2 emissions saved, and equivalent trees planted are all shown here. On the chart, you can see the monthly energy output chart, and this is the system losses chart. After completing this calculation, you can calculate the simplified payback period. You just have to specify the system cost, the energy consumption of this total energy. We're assuming like 90% of the total energy is locally consumed and not exported to the grid, and 10% is exported to the grid for feed-in tariff. The electricity cost and the feed-in tariff, and then you click on payback period. You will get the payback period here.